Here's all you need to know about hybrid funds. If you are a mutual fund investor, chances are that you may have come across the term hybrid funds. Wondering what it is? We help you understand the concept better. When we talk about investments, there are three main types: equity, debt, and hybrid. As the name suggests, a hybrid investment is one that blends equity and debt investments. A hybrid fund is a diversified investment option that allows you to put your money across asset classes, thus making for a good choice for first-time investors. When you invest in a hybrid fund, what you essentially do is try and strike a balance between the riskier option, equity funds, and the safer one, debt funds. This way, you get to have a diversified portfolio that is adjusted as per your risk appetite. In a hybrid fund, you can make the most of upward market movements via your equity assets, while cushioning against any sudden downside through the safer debt securities. Based on the risk levels and asset allocation, hybrid funds are classified into conservative hybrid fund, balanced hybrid fund, aggressive hybrid fund, dynamic asset allocation, multi-asset allocation, arbitrage funds, equity savings. In a conservative hybrid fund, 10 to 25% of total assets are invested in equity instruments, while 75 to 90% are invested in debt instruments. In a balanced hybrid fund, 40 to 60% of total assets are invested in both equity and debt instruments. Meanwhile, in an aggressive hybrid fund, 65 to 80% of total assets are invested in equity instruments, while 20 to 35% are invested in debt instruments. A dynamic asset allocation fund is one where the investment in debt or equity instruments is managed dynamically by the fund manager based on the market conditions. In case of a multi-asset allocation fund, as the name suggests, you have to invest in at least 3 asset classes with a minimum of at least 10% put into each. This category will invest in gold or international equities as well, further adding diversification. An arbitrage fund is one that follows arbitrage strategy. That is, it takes advantage of the price differences in different markets for the same investment. That is, mispricing of equity shares in cash and derivatives market. Here, a minimum of 65% of total assets must be invested in equity and related instruments. Equity savings fund is one which invests across equity, derivatives and debt. A minimum of 65% of total assets have to be invested in equity instruments, while a minimum of 10% has to go towards debt assets.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.